How do you keep your living room clean? As we all know, it's where we spend a lot of our alone time or time with friends and family. Here are some cleaning tips that will help you maintain a clean living room. Tip number 1, declutter and put any unnecessary items away after use. Tip number 2, tidy the couch by putting pillows, magazines, and the TV remote back in their original position. Tip number 3, clean and dust all glass surfaces, removing fingerprints, food particles, pet hair, or any other unwanted items and debris. Tip number 4, remember to vacuum frequently to remove any pet hair or dust mites and food particles. For more cleaning tips, visit our website at www.fluxcommercialcleaningservice.com or tune in to our blog monthly.